how to transfer content on Blogger site to a WordPress site. So let's go. So go to your browser and firstly let's check for the Blogger site. So this is the Blogger site. As you can see, this is a Blogger site and there are about more than 40 content on this website. So I'm going to transfer all this content to a WordPress site. So this is the blog. As you can see the contents. So let's check for the WordPress site. So this is the WordPress site. As you can see, I don't have any single post yet. So this is it. I don't have any single post, and I'm going to transfer all those content on Blogger site to this WordPress site. So let's go. The first step is go to your Blogger dashboard and go to settings, then scroll down and below manage blog click on backup contents and click on download. So after downloading the contents, as you can see, I've downloaded the contents. So after downloading the contents, now go to your WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So all you have to do now is to scroll down and go to tools, and click on import. So as you can see the page here, this page will pop up, and below Blogger all you have to do is click on this run importer. So you are going to import that content downloaded by clicking on choose file. So this will redirect you to your file, and all you have to do is to locate that content you downloaded. So this is my file, and let us locate for the file. Just go to download according to the file you downloaded the contents. So this is the blog contents. So all I have to do is to click on it to take you back to the WordPress dashboard. So this is it, and now click on upload file and import. And click on submit. So this is it, and I've just transferred all the posts to this WordPress site. So let's check for the WordPress site by just refreshing the blog. So as you can see, I've just transferred all the content on that Blogger site to this WordPress site. So this is how to do it.